Hi everyone, again it's me, your math teacher Jello. For today's video, let's have a review on how to subtract dissimilar fractions. So paano ba tayo nagsusubtract ng magkaiba ng denominators natin or dissimilar fractions or unlike fractions? So first, yung sa unang method natin, list down natin yung mga multiples ng 4 tsaka 7. Parang katulad lang din sa pag-add ng dissimilar fractions, no? Okay, so ang multiples ng 4 ay so 4 times 1 equals 4, 4 times 2 equals 8, 4 times 3 equals 12, 16, 20, right? 24, then 28. Okay, how about for 7? Multiples ng 7 ay 7 times 1 equals 7, 7 times 2 equals 14, 21, and then 28, right? So dito guys, ang napansin natin, meron tayong magkapares na number, which is 28. So kapag nakuha na natin yung magkapares na number na yan guys, yan na yung gagamitin natin as LCD or least common denominator. Okay, so we have LCD, which is 28. Okay, 28 divided by 4, we have 7, right? Times 3, 21, right? 28 divided by 7, 4 times 5, 20. So we are in subtraction, right? Minus here. Again, 28 divided by 7, 4 times 5, 20. And that's the time na pwede na tayong mag-subtract. 21 minus 20, the answer is 1, right? Over 28. Okay, so kapag pinag-subtract natin ang 3 over 4 minus 5 over 7 using method number 1, the answer will be 1 over 28. Okay? So now, ituturo ko naman sa inyo yung method number 2. So guys, kung saan kayo mas nadadalian, let's say sa method number 1, dun kayo, kung yun yung mas prefer nyo. Or kung sa method number 2, kapag na-discuss ko na, dun kayo mas nadadalian, walang problema. For as long as natama yung magiging sagot natin. Okay, let's use the same problem pa rin. Same given, 3 over 4 minus 5 over 7. So, i-prove natin na using another method na magkapares pa rin yung magiging result o yung magiging answer natin, which is 1 over 28. Okay, so dito guys, parang katulad lang din sa addition of dissimilar fractions, no? So, dito, yung denominator natin sa second fraction, which is 7, imumultiply natin sa first fraction, both numerator and denominator. So, 7 times 3 and then 7 times 4. So, ganun din sa kabila. Okay, vice versa. Yung second fraction natin, imumultiply natin yung denominator ng first fraction, which is 4. So, times 4 times 4. Okay? And then, multiply natin 7 times 3. The answer is 21, right? 7 times 4, 28. Minus 5 times 4 is 20. And then 7 times 4, 28. So guys, dito, kung mapapansin natin, we come up with similar fractions, no? Pag sinabi natin similar fractions, yung denominators natin ay magkaparehas. Okay? So, 21 minus 20, the answer is 1. So, once na magkaparehas na yung denominators natin, ibig sabihin, copy nyo lang yon, and then, we simply subtract the numerators. Okay? So, the answer is 1 over 28. So, guys, magkaparehas yung sagot natin. Kung mapapansin natin, using different methods. So now, Yung method number 3, yung butterfly method, let's see. Okay, same problem pa rin tayo. 3/4 minus 5/7. Let's prove na magkapares yung sagot natin, which is 1/28. Okay, so dito guys, multiply natin ito. Yan. 3 times 7 equals 21. Parang cross multiplication product tayo. Okay, 21. And then, so we are in subtraction, right? Minus here. So 4 times 5 or 5 times 4. Ito yun guys. The answer is 20, right? And then, ito, yung denominators natin ay 4 times 7. Ipag-multiply natin. So, we come up with 28. So, 21 minus 28. The answer is, 21 minus 20. The answer is 1/28. So, see guys, using 3 different techniques or method, we come up with same answer. Okay? Kindly answer, let's say, 3/8 minus 1/2. Comment your answer. Kung meron kayong natutunan sa video ito, paki-like and share. Thank you for watching.